Hello guys, welcome to my new video. This is power bank. This particular power bank is having a issue of a USB socket. One of them is not more working again. One of them are very pale. The two middle leg are very pale. So for this video I'm going to show you teach you guys how to jump it so that the USB socket can work properly. This is the USB socket. Yes, this one that is not working again, and the two middle leg are very peel. So I'm going to show you guys how to jump it so that the thing can work properly. What you will do, you will make sure so you get another new one. Yes, another USB socket, another one. Get another one. This particular two leg is not working. Out of the four leg, the two middle leg is not working again. So you need to get another one. Yes, get another one. Watch this video carefully and you will learn how I sort it out. Yes, that particular two leg is not working. The middle one is not working. So I'm going to show you the IC that you can tap, or that you can jump the two middle leg. Even I'm going to show you all the IC that work with the four legs. Yes, these four IC that is here, two down, two up. This two down is working for one USB socket. The other up one is working with this particular one here. This USB socket, this one, but this one has no issue, it's still working. But this down one has a problem. As you can see, down one is the two middle leg is it has very peel out. So for this video I'm going to show you how to work it. This particular one here, this particular IC, you can jump it from this IC, this first IC. Yes, this first IC. Watch it carefully. I'm going to show you this first IC, the down one. Can jump it from there. Wash it. That particular the down one, can jump it there to this place. Wait, wait, wait and see what I'm doing. Wait. Yes, this one, this IC work with the positive leg. Yes, so I want to confirm it. Just be patient, you understand everything. That particular IC work with the positive leg, so I will show you the positive leg of this IC here. This is the positive leg. Yes, this is a positive leg. I want to confirm it so that you will see. This is the IC that is working with it. That particular leg is working with them. As you can see, it's working with them. This particular leg. If the thing is not clear, zoom the video so that you can see it very well. That one is working with that positive leg. Yes, this particular leg. Yes, that is working with it. So if that one have any issue, jump it. Yes, this part. Yes, this leg is working with this IC leg. So if that positive leg get issue, jump it from there to here, when you fix another USB socket. This particular one that is pale, I'm going to show you the IC that is working with it. Yes, this first IC that's working with it. So wait, 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 and you will see what I'm doing there. Wait, just carefully watch. You will see what I'm doing here. This particular IC, this one, I've already tapped it, jump it. That first one is working with this one, this one. Look at the leg there. Yes, that one. Yes, this one, this other one, there's a two I see there. This other one is working with this. Watch and see. Working with the second middle leg. Do you see the second? Yeah, yes. So the other one is a at line. You can tap that one at anywhere, any crown. The other one is crown. So as you can see, it's working perfectly. What you do, you need to take time and watch the video. You will learn how I work this power bank. Yes, you learn how I work this power bank. Thank you.